Hey folks, welcome back to Tech Eye. Today, we're diving deep into the world of web browsers and exploring how to troubleshoot common browser problems. Whether you're dealing with slow performance, crashes, or annoying pop-ups, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Browsers are our windows to the internet, and when they don't work right, it can be incredibly frustrating. In this video, we'll cover the most common browser issues and show you how to fix them. Let's jump right in with our first problem: slow performance. A slow browser can turn a simple task into a tedious chore. Here are a few steps to speed things up. Step 1. Clear cache and cookies. First, let's clear the cache and cookies. Over time, these can build up and slow your browser down. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files and cookies and other site data are selected, then click Clear Data. Step 2. Disable unnecessary extensions. Next, let's disable any unnecessary extensions. Extensions can be incredibly useful, but having too many can bog down your browser. Let's take a closer look at how to manage them. First, open your browser and look for the Settings menu. In Google Chrome, this can be found by clicking on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Extensions. Click on it to open the Extensions page. On the Extensions page, you will see a list of all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Each extension will have a small toggle switch next to it. If the switch is blue and positioned to the right, the extension is enabled. If it's gray and positioned to the left, the extension is disabled. To improve your browser's performance, go through the list of extensions and disable any that you don't use regularly by clicking the toggle switch to turn them off. For those extensions you no longer need or recognize, it's best to remove them completely. To do this, click on the Remove button beneath the extension's description. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the extension. Click Remove again to confirm. By managing your extensions in this way, you can free up valuable resources and improve the overall speed and responsiveness of your browser. Step 3. Update your browser. Finally, make sure your browser is up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and security fixes. In Chrome, click the three dots, go to Help. Then, About Google Chrome. This will automatically check for updates. Alright, now let's move on to our next issue: browser crashes. Step 4. Reset browser settings. If disabling extensions doesn't work, try resetting your browser settings. In Chrome, go to Settings and scroll down to Reset and Clean Up. Click Restore settings to their original defaults. Step 5. Check for malware. Malware can also cause crashes. Run a scan with your antivirus software or use a tool like Malwarebytes to check for any malicious software. Next up, let's tackle an issue we've all faced: pop-ups and unwanted ads. Step 6. Enable pop-up blocker. Most browsers have built-in pop-up blockers. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Site Settings. Scroll down to Pop-ups and Redirects and make sure it's set to Blocked. Now, let's talk about another common issue: websites not loading properly. Step 7. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 8. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause problems with website loading. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Advanced, and under System, turn off Use hardware acceleration when available. Step 9. Clear DNS cache. Clearing your DNS cache can also help. Open Command Prompt and type ipconfig flush DNS, then press Enter. Lastly, let's address the issue of browser security. Keeping your browser secure is crucial to protecting your personal information. Step 10. Enable safe browsing. Most browsers offer safe browsing features. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and enable Safe Browsing. This will help protect you from malicious sites. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the most common browser problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech AI for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing. Stay tuned for more exciting content from Tech AI. See you in the next video.